Hello there, I'm Pete and I'm not a developer. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your Cloudflare Worker port on localhost on your development environment. I'm not talking about network posts and messing with some DNS stuff and messing with the public facing Cloudflare proxies. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this. So go to Wrangler.toml, however you say that, in your Cloudflare Worker file. I got my Wrangler.toml file open here. I have lots of workers in this project. So I have in brackets here dev, and then port equals something. Now, this doesn't have to be one of the official ports, this right here. Like, it doesn't have to be one of these. But there are some limitations here. I don't think you can just make up some like random number or string like this. I think it has to be a certain number of digits. To be frank, I'm actually not really positive. I just keep changing it to like 8888 or 8989 or 8787 because it doesn't really matter for me. I don't need to remember them. I'll show you why in just a second. But stick with something similar to this, maybe 4 digits, maybe start in the 8s. I don't really know the parameters, to be frank with you. If you know that, please let me know in the comments. But once you do this, you can go into your, you can see I have CD'd current directory into my news worker here in the terminal, nbx wrangler dev, and it's gonna fire up on localhost using a port. Oh, there it is right there. HTTP localhost and then 8989. Done. That's pretty much it. Now, one other trick, or not trick at all, really, just a tip. If you are, obviously you're gonna deploy this. Once you've already deployed one, if you have that code in your app and you're testing it on your local machine, it could be really annoying to keep swapping the URLs between localhost and then whatever the public Cloudflare Worker URL is. I'm using SvelteKit, so this is stupid easy. Now, depending on your framework, you can do this a different way, but basically you can tell whether or not you are running in dev mode, the dev environment, or a build, like a public build, npm run dev versus npm run build, or whatever it is. Vite, you might have to use Webpack in Node.js and or React, or I don't know. You figure this out. In SvelteKit, it's stupid easy. Import dev from app/environment right here. And now I can just access this dev. I think I have an if statement down here somewhere. Here we go. Let worker URL equals, here's my public facing deployed Cloudflare worker right here. Or if I'm in dev mode here, that worker URL is going to be, there it is, localhost 8989. So now I don't have to change this at all. Whether I am just deploying everything and using production, my users or whatever, and if I'm here running the dev, then it'll be using this local thing, which you need to have fired up, but that's it. Let me know in the comments if I missed anything, if I didn't answer any questions, and I'll do my best to type them out. And other than that, I don't know what I'm doing right now. There we go. Other than that, I hope you have a lovely day.